Familia mar manen jatend migawe kinde machon mosenindo James Maina Wanjigi oyuage kaka jago mane ochwenye tije manotiyo. Mosenindo Maina Wanjigi ma en wuon jasiasa Jimmy Wanjigi nyocho ng'ielo rengo ka en jegni 92. Yande osebedo jaod bura maka Mukunji kuom higni 25 kendo bang'e obedo jatend migawe loch mar jatend piny mokwongo Jomo Kenyatta. Jotelo mag Azimio ne ochopo e nyasi mar lamo ne mosenindo Wanjigi e kanisa mar All Saints Cathedral.
He didn't know how to fight. I can't remember any time these children were beaten by the father. Except he would get annoyed when the results of school come. And these two boys used to wait for me in the corridor and ask me, "Mommy, is Daddy breathing hard?"
He is a landmark in history when he was Minister for Tourism, for setting a target of 1 million tourists in Kenya. At the time, we were under 100,000. This was in the late 70s, early 80s.
All these stories people are telling are new to me because I didn't know Maina Wanjigi. I knew Guka. My Guka who would slip me wine in the tiniest wine glass at dinner when I spent the night, 2 glasses maximum, just like him. My Guka would read me Bible stories and quiz me on them later, or even as he was reading, just to make sure I was paying attention.